Hello friends, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well wherever you are. As you can see, I'm driving through Aachen city. You can see the vibes, you can see the houses, how the apartments are made, the vibe, the weather. Weather is summer season. It is going right in when I shot this video. Otherwise, it is now winter and trees are totally out without leaves. It is all brown everywhere. And I wanted to show you the city of Kelmis. It is in Belgium, and I just wanted to show you how different is Belgium from Germany. It is there is no even the border. We just go through. We don't even notice that there is any border between Belgium and Germany. But you can see the where the houses are, the vibes, the roads, culture is totally different. You can feel the difference in the air even. So even if cities are not divided through borders, the architecture and the prices of course of the grocery and the languages, they change throughout the Europe. And that is the fun of living in, in Germany, where you're connected to so many different European cities. So now this is the the border is coming around, and there is lot of forest area. This and it is not very far. So it is not that it is a 1 hour drive. It is only 20-minute drive from my home. So you can see how fast the city changes itself. During Corona, we are not allowed to go to Belgium, but now lockdown restrictions are lifted, so we were allowed to go to Belgium. But when Corona was at peak, then borders were closed also. And then they also did that, okay, you can travel through, but you have to show your Corona test. And now then there was vaccination, that you are vaccinated, but now it is a bit relaxed, we can just go. So Belgium, the city of Kelmis, this is well connected to the Aachen through bus number 24. It is an hourly service, and I will strongly recommend that if you are living in Aachen, you should first one time go to Kelmis. There is a very big supermarket here, which I will show you on the way. While living in Kelmis is a bit interesting thing, because in Belgium people are French speaking, and they also speak a little bit of German. Means they prefer speaking French, but they can also speak German. This is a German community area of Belgium. Eupen is also one another area, and this also Kelmis also. So many people from Kelmis, they come to Germany for work purpose, and many people from Germany also, Aachen especially, like they go to Kelmis. So that is a benefit of living in the border city. If you prefer living in Belgium, then you can live in Kelmis and still work in Germany. But for that you should have a blue card, or then you can be a border crosser worker. As you can see, now we have entered Belgium. So look, you didn't even notice, even it is difficult for me to see that I have entered Belgium or not. The difference between Belgium and Germany flag is also very confusing, because the Belgium flag is black and yellow and red. Black, gold and red. And in Germany the flag is actually black, red and then gold. So that is the only difference between, that means, sequence of colors is a bit different. So these are the houses, and how the houses are designed in Kelmis. And on the left hand side, you will see a big supermarket called Colruyt. It is a very good supermarket if you want to buy the big packages of biscuits, of, big cereal boxes, wholesale type of things. Not particular wholesale, because I, at the individual also, family also, we go there to buy. And some things are really good there. Like I prefer eating their peanuts. I found them very yummy. But milk quality and everything is better in Aachen, in my opinion. So these are the buses of Belgium. There is also Lidl here, Aldi here. These supermarkets are also here. Otherwise, cost of living is little bit expensive here in Belgium. That is why people prefer buying cost groceries in Aachen. Even those people who are living in Kelmis, they prefer living, buying things from Aachen, Germany. But some people have said that their schools are good, like schools are French speak, and they teach French, they teach German, and they have good quality schools. So some people prefer educating their children in Kelmis, or I will say Belgium. But I prefer Germany, if you ask my opinion. So this is another residential area, a bit rural side of the area of the Kelmis. There is one village also called Hergenrath here. So there are some village type of things also, like farmhouses and everything. Small city, but very well developed, and people have good standard of living here, as you can see. Very calm and very well maintained. Very nice city. I will see you the inside area of the residential area also, where there are, proper residential area. That was the main road where I went, but right now I'm in the inside the residential area. It is a little bit on hilly side, but still you can see very well maintained, very nice and systematic things. Yeah, road is not as good as Germany, but some people say Belgium roads, they prefer Belgium roads to German roads. So everybody to their opinion. They have swimming pools, they have also schools and everything. If you are looking for buying a property in Kelmis, rates are right now high. Even for renting, they are high. In Aachen, they are totally out of, they are hitting the roof, or, sky is the limit. They simply, unbelievably, prices are going in real estate. But maybe in Kelmis side, you will find something affordable if you want. So there are parks and everything. I love Belgium houses. Belgian houses are very pretty and very well maintained also. They have a big shopping area also. Center of the city is always a shopping area. Car cannot go in that shopping area. Only pedestrians are allowed. So this whole area was actually the shopping area. As you can see, people do the flags from their balconies. They hang the flags through the windows. Nation pride. So if even if it is a German speaking community, but I will still have observed that I will still say that people prefer speaking French, and but if you speak German to them, they try speaking German, and they know German, they can speak German, because many German customers they have, to German people come here, but still they prefer speaking French, what I have observed. English, I have, I still struggle finding someone who can speak English. But because I can speak German, so I also prefer speaking in German. So as you can see, this is the whole residential area. I hope you liked the city of Kelmis and you liked my video. If you did, please hit the like button, share it with your family and friends. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. And also don't forget to write your comment in the, your feedback, your opinion in the comment box. I love hearing from you people. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.